Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited and I am so happy today, and finally after 6 weeks of waiting, she's here guys. It got delivered today and I am so happy that finally she's here. So if you probably guys have seen my previous videos, I did a video on this particular item and how I got it, how I pre-ordered it, and also I have mentioned the price right there. And I did not expect that it's gonna arrive today. I am so excited to share it with you guys. So anyways, let's open this. Yay! So here it is. Oh my goodness, I am so excited with this one because I don't know, because I remember last year I tried to pre-order my multi-pochette accessoire and I've already paid for that one ahead of time and I wasn't able to get it. It wasn't fulfilled. But I am so nervous with this one as well that they might not be able to fulfill it because there's a lot of demands on this. So I am surprised. I was so happy. I was surprised. So anyways, here it is. Ta-da! That's the Louis Vuitton right there. Okay, I got the receipt and here's the box. Wow, I am so excited with the box. Let me just put this one. Okay, here's the box. Are you guys excited? I am so excited. Oh, it's very light though. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Okay, look. The box is bigger than the item. Ta-da! Here is my little sac plat. This is a Petit or Nano Sac Plat. And to reveal my little baby, oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, oh wow, oh my goodness, it is so cute guys. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, finally she's here. Okay, here's the strap. So a lot of you probably have been asking in my previous videos I did if the strap is adjustable. Here's the strap. This is how it looks like. It is not adjustable guys. Here it is. It's beautiful. So let me just put this one aside. Let's go back to this beautiful, beautiful Nano Sac Plat. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. So here's the front. Let me see. Yeah, here's the front. That's the side. That's the back. And also on the other side as well. So this one is actually inspired on the vintage design in 1968 Louis Vuitton monogram. I have been really wanting to get a sac plat in such a long time, but the design is like, I don't really want a really big bag, like really huge. Most of the sac plat are huge guys, but this one is such a perfect size for me. Oh my goodness, the handle is so pretty. Take a look. That's the side corner right there. This is made up of a monogram coated canvas. Very beautiful. And then yes, that's a cowhide leather. So this one is already been, I'm not sure if this has been, yeah, this is a little bit darker though. The handles right here, the cowhide is already been, it's a little bit darker than the usual trim. So that's how it looks. And this one, okay, let's take a look inside. Oh, so the inside has has the textile lining. Everybody is aware of that. And this is the code, the product code. I hope that my camera is picking up. That's the code, guys, if you are interested. Probably all the Louis Vuitton lovers right there, they probably already did a pre-order. They probably did their research for this. So I'm just sharing it with you once again. That's the code if you are interested. Oh, wow. The inside lining. The thing with this one is like the inside lining. I'm a little bit concerned that the inside lining would have been wipeable. And it is not. It is textile lining. Wow, it is so beautiful. Look at the inside. So it has a flat pocket inside. Yeah, there's just one pocket on the inside and it is flat. And this one says here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. Oh, this is the first time I got from made in Spain. First time ever. Most of my items are from France, Italy, and this is my very first from Spain. Very lovely, very, very nice. Oh my goodness, so happy. I can't contain my happiness actually, because oh wow, I've been really wanting this for such a long time. But anyways, it's a gold hardware right there, the rivets. It's made up of a gold hardware. So the rivets are gold, back to back. And this is no zipper, it is just open. Just want to make it sure. And also, let me see the date code for this one. I'm not sure. I probably needed to remove the inside to see the date code. I think, yeah. Oh, here it is, the date code, guys. That's the date code. And CA3200. This was made on the 30th week of 2020. See, this is the inside pocket. I'm surprised that I was able to take it out. Okay, so that's the inside. Okay, there's a two beautiful top handle. Let me see if this handle would fit in my arms though. Oh, it wouldn't. Guys, it wouldn't get into my arms. Well, if I'm probably gonna have to force it, it'll probably get into my hand. Yeah, but yeah, pretty much I'm not gonna carry it like that. Okay, for the size, so I have a receipt here. Probably, let me just, yeah, everybody probably has this receipt. This is a Louis Vuitton receipt for the size reference. So I believe that a lot of you Louis Vuitton lovers out there kept this receipt. So for the size reference, yes, yeah, that's how big it is. It is just the same as the width, the length of this receipt for the size reference. If you are curious, it is tiny. It is really tiny. And if you have this kind of receipt, yeah, that's the length. That is for the reference. This is just for the reference only, guys. Yes, that's just for the reference only. And this is this receipt is probably like just bigger than the Sac Plat though. Okay, so moving on, let me get the strap. Let me put the strap. So I'm gonna have to put it like that. Just like that. See? So that's how it looks, guys, just with the strap itself. It is beautiful. It is lovely. Very, very nice. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. It is so cute. Okay, like looks like, yeah, it's the, if you probably have noticed that the vachetta, it started to, yeah, to patina. There's a little bit of like a patina a little bit, but I love that. I love that all my vachetta started to patina, the honey patina. Yes, just so you guys aware that this has already started to patina. It has a really such a nice honey touch to it. Very nice. This is the bottom. That's the bottom. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, now the biggest question. Would the iPhone Plus fit on this bag? Okay, let me get my 7 Plus phones and we are going to find out. Let me put it inside. Yes, it does fit inside right there. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I mean, I'm surprised that the iPhone just fits there perfectly. That's another thing that I am really worried about, is like, what if a phone would not fit? Oh my goodness. So guys, if you probably have watched my previous videos regarding this Nano Sac Plat, I did a little bit of like an illusional like you know, bag made up of paper, and I actually have that paper here with me, and I think I almost got the correct size, guys. This is just a reference for my previous video. Oh my gosh, it just looks like a, it's just, let me see. Yeah, almost. I got the perfect measurements, and I was so happy. The reason why I did that one, it's because I want to make it sure that my iPhone would fit, and sure enough, this large iPhone would fit. I'm currently using an SE right now because I have a lot of purses that are tiny, and here she is. It's so beautiful. I am so excited. I can't wait to customize my little sac plat. I'm probably gonna have to make another video because I don't want to make this video so long on what fits in this, how I styled it. And yeah, this is just an unboxing, guys. This is just the glimpse. Oh, okay, let me see. Oh, okay, so I did put this. Oh, you can actually put this, okay, right there. So okay, I did it wrong. I put it over here instead of over here, so it has its own. Okay. Oh my gosh, the hardware is actually gold. I wish it could have been like a brass. Yeah, it's so gold, and it's like, it says there LV right there under rivets. LV on the other side as well. It says LV. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at the stitching, guys. This is actually a really nice, this material, the canvas is thick. This is a really thick canvas. And also, another thing that I like about this, guess what? It has no glazing in the bag. Yes, there is no glazing here. No glazing at all. Oh my gosh, I don't need to worry about my bag, taking it to the store and reglaze it. There is no glazing, guys. There is no glazing. None. Only on the strap. Yeah, the beautiful red glazing. This one here, barely. Very nice. It's just like, they just like, you know, I don't think that's glazing though, but this one over here, that's a glazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited with this one. You know, I have problems with my push-up tea. I have probably reglazed that one twice, but this one is such a perfect bag. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to wear this one, and it is so cute. The stitching now, just a quick look. Wow, I didn't see any floss yet. You know me, I am so meticulous when it comes to stitching. Okay, wow. Yeah, very well done. Very well done. This particular piece is very well made. Structured bag. Oh my goodness. Look at the stitching right there. Beautifully done. The double stitching right at the corner. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to style this little cutie. And I also have my Nano Speedy right there. I'm not going to bring my Nano Speedy because I don't want to. This is just exclusive for my Nano Sac Plat. And it's beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so excited today. Thank you guys for watching. And I would recommend this bag if you're looking for a really tiny petite bag. And you could check you probably have to call the 1-800 number. I'm not sure if this is actually available on the website now, or if you have a sales associate that's you to talk to them if you really wanted this item. This is set to be released on the 31st. Oh, I just can't get over how beautiful. It's so cute. It is just so cute. It's beyond cute, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. The craftsmanship for this item is beautiful. I mean, yeah, the stitching is beautiful for this particular item. I mean, this is such a tiny bag. It is so easy to dissect those stitching, but that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel. Bye.